Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable always on display in Galaxy A14. So first of all guys, just go to settings here and then comes to display option. Okay, so here in this section, we don't have any option of always on display. That's mean guys, we don't have default feature of always on display, but we are going to use a third party application. So just go to Play Store and install, go to search and here search for Movies. So this one is the application of always on display. Just install this application and then click open. So firstly you have to allow the notifications, go back and here's the application. So just come to AOD always on display. Now select any AOD. I am selecting this one, apply. Now go back and go to settings. Just tap on always on display and make sure you have to turn the brightness up to 100. So let's see. So as you guys see, this is how the always on display work in Galaxy A14 by using a third party application. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.